running along the bottom is our crowdfunder.co.uk/Union 2024 banner. And that's our crowdfunder. We're now 2 weeks into our 4-week crowdfunder. And let's put up the QR code for this. And what you can simply do is point your camera on your mobile phone at our QR code, and lo and behold, that will take you to the page. And there we are, QR code. So that's the QR code for the page. That's also the QR code right there. And the address, and we'll put the banner up, is simply this one, crowdfunder.co.uk/Union 2024. And last time we looked, we're at 23% of what we need. And we thank everybody who's given money so far. You're absolutely stars, every one of you. And if you are able to chip in to enable us to get through the next 5 months of the year up until the end of the year, then please consider whatever it is that you can afford. And also notice all the rewards that we've got on that page as well. And you don't have to claim a reward, but you may wish to claim a reward for a certain amount of donation.